Welcome to this course, where we will teach you step by step to create simulations using the simulation features provided in SolidWorks Premium Simulation Add-in. In this first module, we will know simulation and its limitations, navigate through the interface, check the predetermined options and make settings. In this class we will have an overview of the course and discuss the different simulation packages, important knowledge for successful learning. Come on, let's go. This course is organized into classes, where we will show you how to operate the software to perform the simulations. Practical examples, where we will make case studies, improving the use of the software. And complementary exercises, which are proposed tasks for you to do and train your learning. Now we will discuss the simulation tools of SolidWorks Corporation. As the complexity of the problem you want to analyze increases, different simulation tools are available, which are integrated with SolidWorks CAD, which greatly facilitates the design process. For basic analysis of stresses acting on individual parts, subjected to forces or pressures, we have Simulation Express, included from the SolidWorks standard package. Learn how to use this tool by taking the specific course of Render. For linear static analysis of parts and assemblies, we have the simulation add-in included with SolidWorks Premium. For more advanced analytics, SolidWorks Corporation offers simulation packages that must be purchased separately from SolidWorks CAD. SolidWorks Simulation Professional is one of these packages, and in addition to static linear analysis of parts and assemblies, makes it possible to perform frequency analysis, design optimization, flambage, thermal simulation, pressure vessel designs, fall and fatigue. SolidWorks Simulation Premium, in addition to including the features of the professional package, allows nonlinear dynamic analysis, structural simulation of components with large displacement, plastic deformation and residual tension, simulation of plastic and rubber components, composites and forced vibrations. There are also exclusive packages for simulation of flows and heat transfer, which will not be detailed here. In this course, we will use the simulation supplement, included in SolidWorks Premium, conducting analysis of parts and assemblies with application of static and material stresses that exhibit linear behavior. In the course of the course we will refer to the supplement only as simulation. We completed this lesson, where we had an overview of the course and learned about the simulation packages that can be added to SolidWorks.